Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. So all are ready?
Yes.
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 So children, we will complete our question number 20. Please take math workbook page number 28. Page number 28. So children, we are going to complete that fractions of a number. Yes, chapter 9.1. Fractions of a number. So question number 20 we were doing. Okay. Siddharth, can you read that again? Question number 20. Read again.
Okay, ma'am. Out of 24 students,
It is, can
What?
read that, put the specs properly and read the number carefully.
out of 42 students,
42, it's not 24, yes. Okay, out of 42,
40.
yes.
42 students, 1/3 like mango juice,
Yes.
1/6 like pineapple juice, and 1/7 like
Chiku juice.
chiku juice. The remaining like watermelon juice.
Hmm.
Find the number of students who like each type of juice.
Yes. So children, we have started that answer yesterday. So it's the first step what we have done, total number of students. What is the total number of students? 42. 42. Then children, okay. So quickly we can answer in muted device. Okay, so children, I will write that again, but no need to write that steps again. If you have just for your mango juice, this we have done yesterday. How many children like mango juice? Tell me the answer.
14 students.
14
40
students.
students.
14 students. This we have written yesterday, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
not
Now, what about pineapple juice?
7 students.
7 students.
7.
students.
Pineapple juice, 7 students like pineapple. 7. And what about chiku? Have you completed that sentence?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. 6 students.
Okay, so we have done till here. Yes, my dear children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 6 students. Now, next what we had to do, we had to find out the total number of students. You can start now. Total number of students who like different types of juices. We know mango juice, then pineapple juice, 7 children, chiku juice, 6 children. So what we have to do now, we had to find out total number of students, who like different types of juices. Different types of juices. Which are the different here? Mango, then we have pineapple. So mango is 14. So what do you have to do to find the total, children? To find the total, what we have to do? Add what? Mango, how many? 14 plus, which is the next juice?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. So pineapple, we have 7 children. And what about chiku? We have
6.
6. So all you has to do this alone. Do alone. Add the numbers 14 plus 7 plus 6. Then find out the answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am not there in yesterday's class.
Okay. Anyway, I will send the notes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So complete that. So total number of students who like different types of juices. Yes, children, have you got the answer?
Ma'am, I am writing only.
14 plus 7 plus 6. This much time. Till here we have done yesterday.
Yes.
No need to write that again. Only one last sentence.
Ma'am, but I don't write that one.
Okay, Devananda, I am not Yes, children. So Devananda, please don't write this mango pineapple because we had to write the steps with calculations that we have found out yesterday, no? So I am just writing the simple steps here. Yes, 14 plus 7. What is 14 plus 7?
21.
21. 21 plus 6?
21.
27.
27.
So children, there are 27 children who like different types of juices. What are the different types we have? Mango, pineapple, and
Mango,
chiku. So
pineapple,
mango
and
is
chiku.
14, pineapple is 7 plus chiku, that's 6. You will get the total number. Okay, now Anna Rose, can you read the last sentence? What we had to find out here? Find the remaining. Start reading from there. The remaining
Remaining like
watermelon juice.
The remaining
Okay.
like watermelon juice. Find the
Ah.
number of students who like each type of.
Yes, so we have found out the number of students who like mango juice, then pineapple, then chiku. Now what is pending here? What we have to do now? The remaining like
Watermelon.
which juice?
Now is
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Okay, so how you can find out? Tell me. How you can find out how many children like watermelon?
minus.
Minus
From what?
Minus the
Total number of students in the class. What is that?
42.
42.
42.
Okay. So from 42, you have to take away 27 children, those who
27.
like mango, pineapple, and chiku. Then you will get watermelon. How many students like watermelon? Yes, very good. So children, next what we'll write? We have total number of students who like different types of juices, that is 27. So next what you'll write? The number of students who like watermelon juice. Number of students who like watermelon juice. Who like watermelon juice. So children, we have the total number of students is 42. And if you take away the number of students who like different types, that is mango, pineapple, and chiku, that is 27. So you'll get the number of students who like watermelon juice. So find out the answer alone. 42 minus 27. So we can write the last step. Therefore, dash students like watermelon juice. Watermelon juice. Yes. Watermelon. Yes, my dear children.
I got the answer. Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, 42 minus
Got the
27.
answer.
How many got the answer, children? 42 minus 27. Yes. What's the answer?
15.
All of you got the same answer?
Yes.
Yes. So 42 minus 27, your answer is correct. Yes, 15.
25.
So children, you here, who got 25? Do it again. Yes, 42 minus 27. Can you take 7 from 2? No. So what do you have to do? Borrow. 12 minus 7. What is 12 minus 7? 12 minus 7.
5.
5. And 3 minus 2.
1.
1. So it is 15. So children, you can write here. Therefore, 15 students like watermelon juice. Therefore, 15 students like watermelon juice. Who is this with K-A-R-T? Who is that? Asher Beni? Karthikei. Okay. Yes, children. Those who have not completed this question anyway, I will send now in the group because some children joined late now. So what's the answer, children? 15 students like watermelon.
finished.
Yes. So children, we have 14 students. Like here we have 14 students like
Mango.
mango. Then seven
Seven
students like
Pineapple.
Pineapple juice.
pineapple.
Juice.
Then
6 students like chiku juice.
chiku. Then the final, that is what we have done today.
Watermelon
Watermelon. Watermelon.
15.
How many students?
15 students.
15. So which is the favorite fruit, children?
Watermelon.
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 Yesterday we thought 14 is the biggest number, so mango was their favorite. Yes, finally today when we found out how many children like watermelon, we got 15 students like watermelon. So which is the favorite fruit, favorite juice?
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
What about you? You like mango or watermelon?
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Yes. So children, can we do the next question 21? Question number 21.
Okay, ma'am.
Irene, can you read question number 21? Page number 29. Page number 29.
Find if 3 by 5 of 15 and 9 by 11 of 11 are either
Equal to
each other or one of them is greater than the
other. Yes, children. So what we had to do, we had to find out 3 by 5 of 15. You know how to do. We have found out how to find the fraction of a number. How to find the fraction of a number? What we will do? Multiply. So 3 by 5 into 15 and 9 by 11 into 11. We have to find out and check whether they are equal. Yes. So all of you please take it fast. Page number 29. Page 29. We are going to do question number 21.
21.
Yes. Karthikeya, do you have the workbook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
After this, I will check all of your book. Okay, so please complete it. So 3 by 5 of 15. Please find it out. 3 by 5 of 15. How we can do that?
3 by 5
5.
into
3 by
15.
5. Okay, so we will write here, children, 3 by 5 instead of multiply. 15.
Multiply.
Okay, so children, find out 3 times 15. What's the answer? Find out. Then you have to divide by 5. Multiply 3 and 15. Yes, what's the answer, children? 15 into 3. 15 threes.
45.
So children, we have 5 threes are 15. 1 is carry over. 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Is it 45, children, or for all of you?
Yes.
Yes. So 45 divided by 5. Next question, you had to do that. 45 divided by 5. Very easy. Table of 5. 5 times which number you will get?
I got that.
45 divided by 5. What's the answer?
9.
9. You know 9 5s are 45. Okay. Next what we had to do, look at the next question. 9 by 11 of 11 also you had to do. 9 by 11 of 11. Whether you will get that also 9. If you got 9, then the answer is 2 questions. They are equal. So what we had to do, 9 by 11 multiplied by 11. Find out the answer. 9
Ma'am,
into
I got the
11.
answer.
What is 11 into 9? 11 into 9?
99.
99 divided by 11. What's the answer? See, look at the question itself, you will get the answer. 11 into 9, 99. So 99 divided by 11, which is the other number, you will get that. What's that?
9.
9. Yes, you can see here.
9.
when you multiply 9 and 11, you will get 99. So 99 divided by 11, the other number, that is 9. So here 3 by 5 of 15 is equal to 9. And 9 by 11 of 11 is also equal to 9. So children, what do you know from that? They are equal. Yes, they are equal. So children, you can write here the last step. Therefore, have you completed till here, children?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the last step. Therefore, 3 by 5 of 15, 3 by 5 of 15 and 9 by 11 of 11, 9 by 11 of 11 are equal. Are equal. This was the question, whether they are equal. So we got 3 by 5 of 15 is also equal to 9. 9 by 11 of 11 is also equal to 9. That means they are equal.
Ma'am, can you show the first?
Not completed. Huh? This one. Not completed till here. 3 by 5 of 15. That is equal to 45 by 9.
Can you show that?
9 by 11 of 11. That's also 9. Therefore, 3 by 5 of 15 and 9 by 11 of 11 are equal.
Finished, ma'am.
Naila, please don't touch the screen.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, not finished.
Ma'am, I finished.
Why Deros became slow?
Finished.
Yes, Deros.
Ma'am, they are not finished.
Okay, my dear children, please wait.
Yes, ma'am, I finished.
Now, children, we are going to do the last question. Anna, Grace, can you read the last question number 22? Yes, Anna, Grace, louder. Question number 22. Last question. Yes.
The distance around a playground is 1000 meters. Rohit ran 3/4 of the distance and
Kriti ran. Yes.
ran half the distance. What is the distance covered by each of them?
Yes. What is the distance covered? So, children, there is a playground. What is the distance around the playground?
1000.
1000 meters. So, children, you don't have to do anything. If it is given in kilometer and we'll say convert in meter, you have to convert. But here it is given in meter. Okay. Then Rohit covered how much distance, children? Look at Rohit covered how much distance?
3 by 4.
3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4. And what about Kriti? Half of 1000 meters. So before finding the actual answer, can you guess who covered more distance, Rohit or Kriti?
Kriti.
2 by 4.
Ah. Tell me Rohit or Kriti, Anna.
Kriti.
Let's find out. Yes, Angeline saying Kriti. Is there any other answer, children?
And Kriti.
Okay, so now all of them are with Kriti. Let me see. Okay, so children, we will write together. Please take your book. The last question we are going to complete now. That is question number 22. Page number 29. Okay, so what we'll write the first step? Look at it. What is the distance around the playground? Distance around the playground, that is given. Distance 1000 meter. Yes. Distance around the playground. Distance around the playground. How much? 1000
meter.
meter. 1000 meter. Okay, next children, we will write the fraction, then we will find out the distance. So fraction of the distance covered by Rohit. Fraction of distance covered by Rohit. Fraction of distance. What is the fraction given? Given is a fraction is given in the question. Fraction of distance. Fraction of distance covered by Rohit. Look at the question and tell me. What is the fraction of distance covered by Rohit?
By 4.
3 by 4.
3 by
Yes. It is given 3/4 means 3 by 4. Very good. Next, what you will write, children? Instead of Rohit, what we have to do? Instead of Rohit, which is the next person? Kriti. Yes. So the same sentence, instead of Rohit, we will write for Kriti. Fraction of distance covered by Kriti. What is the fraction? Half.
Half.
Half. Okay. Fraction of distance covered by Rohit is 3 by 4. Fraction of distance covered by Kriti is 1 by 2. So next what we are going to do, we are going to find out the distance covered by these two children. Distance covered by these two persons. Yes. Distance covered by Rohit. Distance covered by Rohit. First we have written only the fraction. Now actually we are going to find out the distance. So what is the fraction? 3 by 4. What we have to do? 3 by 4 of the total distance. That is 3 by 4 of 1000 meter. So what you'll write? 3 by 4 of 1000. 3 by 4 multiplied by 1000. Find out the answer. 3000 divided by 4. That much meter. The answer you will get in meter. And like the same children, you had to write distance covered by Kriti also.
Ma'am, now it's blank. Can you share once more? I'm not able to see anything.
Who's that? Angeline?
Angeline, ma'am, now the screen was blank.
How is it now?
Yes, ma'am, now I can see.
Okay. Yes, children, did you get the answer? 3000 divided by 4. Okay. 3000 divided by 4. Tell me, 30. In 30, how many times 4 can be taken from 30?
6.
6 into 4 is 24.
7.
7. What is 7 into 4?
28.
28. So 7 times 4, that is smaller than 30. So we can subtract 7. Okay, now 30 minus 28 is 2. Bring down 0. In 20, how many times 4?
5.
5. 5 fours are 20. Okay. We have one more 0 to bring down. That is, so the answer is what? 750 meter. 750 meter. So find out the distance covered by Kriti. Distance covered by Kriti. So what is the fraction, children, for Kriti? You know, we have written here. What is the fraction for Kriti?
Half.
Half. So you have to find out half of 1000 meter. Half of 1000 meter. So it is 1000 divided by 2. Find out the answer. Dash meter. 1000 divided by 2.
I got the answer.
Ma'am, I got that.
Okay, okay. So one more minute. Some children are writing. All of you has to do this alone. Find out the answer alone.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, what's the answer?
500.
500. Very good. We know that is 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we have 10 divided by 2, 5 here. So 2 more 0. So it is 500 meter. So can you tell me who covered more distance? Rohit covered 750. Kriti covered 500. Who covered more distance?
Rohit.
Rohit. Is there anyone still saying Kriti? Before starting the question, you told me, I think Angeline told me Kriti. Yes? So children, half or 3 by 4, which is more? 3 by 4. Okay. 3 parts out of 4, that is greater than 1 by 2. Okay. So we know actually here the answer we got. So we can easily identify 750 meter for Rohit and 500 for here. So children, we can write here Kriti ran 500 meter. Yes, who is calling me?
Ma'am, I am. I can join in another device.
Yes, yes.
Device.
Kriti, okay. Kriti ran for 500 meter. You can write here Rohit ran 750 meter. Rohit ran 750 meter and Kriti ran 500 meter. So children, we have now completed our chapter 9.1. We have done all 22 questions. Have you all completed till here?
Yes.
Finished?
Yes.
Yes. So children, please revise this chapter well. Okay, and please try to do questions, practice, page number 35. Page number 35, we have some practice questions. You can do first 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Then we can discuss the answers later. Practice question. Can you show me that page number 35? Yes, Anna Rose is showing this. Let me spotlight for everyone. Yes, solve 1 by 9 of 72, 1 by 8. Then for question number 1 by 9 of 180, find the value 1 by 5. Okay, only this 1, 2, 3 questions. Okay, children, please try to do that. Okay. If you are getting time, we can do, but wait. Okay. So children, now close your books. I will give you 5 minutes, one multiplication table test. Where? In your rough book. I told you to be ready with your multiplication table every day. Yes? Okay. Please take your rough book fast and write these questions. Only 5 questions. Table. First, write down the question. 9 times 8. This for you to check yourself whether I know my table. How well I can remember my multiplication tables. 6 times 8. 9 times 6. 9 times 8, 8 times 7. Then we have 6 times 8. Then 9 times 6. We have here 7 times 6. Only 5 questions. Okay, children, do it fast.
Can you give one?
Huh? What?
She's asking, can you give one more question?
One more. Yes.
Ma'am, my table test is finished.
Finished. Okay, now children. Okay, this it is out of 5 only. Have you all completed? You can check whether your answer is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Completed.
So what is 9 times 8?
72.
72.
72. 8 times 7?
56.
Ma'am, 56.
6, 8.
48.
48.
9 times 6?
54.
4. 7, 6.
42.
42.
So if your answer is correct, it is out of 5. Check how much you got.
Ma'am, I got 5.
So it is 72. Then last one is 7, 6 are 40. Let me know how many got full. 5 out of 5. You can put 1 star for you.
My answers.
Huh?
Checking my answers, ma'am.
Do it fast, my dear. This much time is enough. If your answer, if you got 5 out of 5, you can put 1 star for you. Clap for yourself. And those who got mistakes, what you have to do, please revise the tables again. Every day, if you make more practice, you will be more perfect. Yes, children, practice makes man perfect. Yes, I can see many children, they got 5 on 5. Okay, children, so bye-bye and revise well. Please continue with your multiplication table.
Ma'am,
Bye.
Shravani is
Thank you.
present.
Bye-bye.
Bye.